Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Come spend 5 minutes with me in the kitchen and let's cook some pumpkin rice. Okay guys, so first of all, let's cut our desired amount of pumpkin. Then we are going to peel, wash and dice our pumpkin. Alright guys, so now I'm dicing my pumpkin in small pieces, so this way it is easier to cook and it will take less time to cook. So now my pumpkin is all prepped and ready to cook. I'm going to give it a final rinse and set aside until my water is boiling. Alright guys, so let's get some water to boil so that we can start cooking our pumpkin rice. Okay, so now we're going in with a little salt, cover and wait until the water is boiling. So now that the water is boiling, I'm going in with my pumpkins, and also now I'm going to season the pot. I'm going in with a Scotch bonnet pepper, some fresh thyme and also some scallion. Also guys, I'm going in with some pumpkin mix, and this will give the pumpkin rice that nice flavor that I desired. And also, as you can see, I'm going in with some butter, and this is how your water should be looking. Then I'm going to cover and let it cook for Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, this is when I'm going to do my taste test, making sure that it is flavored to my likings. Then I'm going to wash my rice, then add to my pot. So whenever I'm rinsing my rice, I make sure I rinse until the water is clear before adding it to my pot. So now that the pumpkin is cooked, I'm going to add the rice and cover and let it cook. So now that I add the rice to the pumpkin mix, I'm giving it a little stir to combine. Then I'm going to cover and let it steam. So this is it guys, my rice is done cooking. I'm going to remove the pepper. Also, I'm going to remove the thyme. I didn't have to add any water as I had enough water in it. So I'm just going to fluff it up a bit. Then I'm going to let it sit for a while before serving. So now it's time to serve, and I'm gonna serve this with some vegetables and sliced fish. You can serve your pumpkin rice with the meat of your choice, or whatever meat you desired you can serve with your pumpkin rice. But guys, if you enjoyed this recipe, if you like this video, please leave a like, comment, share, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, please subscribe. Also, if there's another way how you prepare your pumpkin rice, please feel free to comment in the comment section, and I will be more than happy to try out your recipe. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.